In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail. This is a crucial step for setting up a professional email address that matches your domain name, which is an important part of building a credible online presence. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to be on your Zoho Mail homepage. From here, look up to the top right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings, and clicking on it will open up a range of options that allow you to customize your Zoho Mail experience. Once you're in the settings menu, keep an eye out for the section labeled Anti-Spam. It's essential to configure these settings to ensure that your emails are sent and received without being flagged incorrectly. Click on Anti-Spam to proceed to the next step. In the Anti-Spam settings, you'll see an option for Domain. Click on this to start the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain. This will lead you to a page that lists domains that are allowed or blocked. We're going to add your GoDaddy domain to this list, ensuring that all emails sent from and to your domain are treated appropriately. Next, look for the Add icon, which is typically found at the top of the allowed list. Clicking on this will open a field where you can input your domain details. Here, you'll need to type in your specific GoDaddy domain name. Be sure to enter it correctly, as any typos could result in connectivity issues. After you've carefully entered your GoDaddy domain, all that's left to do is hit the Add button. This action will officially connect your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail, allowing you to send and receive emails using your domain name. Remember, this step is key to ensuring that your professional email setup functions smoothly and effectively. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail. With these settings configured, you can now enjoy the benefits of a professional email address that aligns with your brand. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Zoho's support resources are a great place to find additional help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.